Wow, big tiles. Hello. Yes. Let's see our tiles. It's 2.4 by 1.2. Yeah, 1.2 by 2.4. Yes. Three pieces. Put them together. Yeah. Let me show you clear. You see? It's two pieces paved together. We can paint it on wall, on floor, no problem. And the thickness is 9. Thickness is 9, yes. Many design. If you like, you can WhatsApp me. I can send you more photo or catalog and price. We have design team. We design it by ourselves. Yeah, basic on stone. And one item designed by one stone and have different face. One item maybe have four face or 2 face or 6 face. Yes. These are normal design, black, but a bigger size, 1.2 by 2.4. Yes. These are normal hold design, different color. Anyone you like, you can let me know. Anyone you like, can let me know. These are not matte. These are matte, not polish. These are matte. This one is pure white. Lapato. This one is Lapato also. And we call it panda white. Fish white. Black. These are 80 by 2.6 and 2,620. 800 by 2,620. Thickness is 15. Yeah. These are 2.4 by 1.2 meter. Like a photo, right? Anyone you like, you can let me know. Yeah. Send me WhatsApp. Send me WhatsApp. Follow me to see different colors of tiles, different size, different design. Yes, we have design team. We design by ourselves. We have our own design. Yes, and we have stock. Most of them we have stock. We pack by wood or iron. Wood box or iron. Wow, this is amazing. This shiny is shiny. Bring shiny. Yes. These are normal design, but the bigger size. This one polish. Gray color. White, different white. Fish white, Calcutta white. $80 by 2.6 meter. It's 0.8 meter by 2.6 meter. Different color. So anyone you like, you can WhatsApp me. No problem. I can take you more clear photo. Some pieces, put them together, you can see the effect. The background, wow, like the sky in light. This one is amazing blue. These are normal design. It's too many. There's too many design. This one is pure black, pure black. Yes, pure black. This black with gold nice. Yes. And many design. Many design. So, no matter which one you like, you can let me know. Then I can send you catalog, send you photo. No problem. Or I can do video call with you anytime. Yeah, except the time I'm sleeping. Yes. Okay. So, any problem? WhatsApp me. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.